Good afternoon, everyone. I trust everyone had a wonderful morning worshiping the Lord this morning. As we prepare to enjoy our week in preparation of Easter Sunday next week, Holy Week.
As
Fali said, what we'll do this afternoon is focus on the fruit as we finish walking around the tree. We've gone through the heat and the thorns and the cross, and now to the fruit. The big question, of course, is what type of heart produces fruit? We know that bad root and bad fruit produce, bad heart, bad root produces bad fruit. But it's a good heart that produces the good fruit. Go ahead and read that one. They should have notes on the fruit. It's not in their workbook. Oh, it was on yesterday's. It was probably go earlier. We skipped that yesterday because I reordered things. Yeah, I apologize for that, so take notes. Okay. So we read the first part of Mark 12, 28 to 31. We'll keep going.
Continue reading?
What's that?
Continue reading?
Yeah, there's one more. Yep.
Okay. Can you come back to the other? Artesona malwe ni voalohany dia izao mianoro Israely Jehovah Andriamantsika dia Jehovah iray ihany koa tiavan'i Jehovah Andriamanitra ao amin'ny fonao rehetra sy ny fanahinao rehetra.
There you go.
Sy ny sainao rehetra ary ny herinao rehetra ary ny faharoa dia izao tiavan'ny namanao tahaka ny tenanao tsy misy didy hafa lehibe noho ireo.
So where does the good heart come from? It comes from loving the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, all your strength.
Ka ny fo tsara zany dia megny avy amin'ny fo zay tena hoe maniry ny tia an'Andriamanitra amin'ny fo rehetra, ny saina rehetra, ny hery rehetra ary ny fanahy rehetra.
Because as we said yesterday, quoting David Powelson, it's not what but who.
Raha tadidinareo le resantsika tamin'ny maly hoe zay le teny voasoratry David Powelson hoe ny zavatra irintsika tsy dia nifantoka loatra amin'ilay hoe inona no irintsika fa iza no irintsika.
Not what we should do, but who should we worship.
Tsy hoe inona no tokony ataontsika fa hoe inona iza no tokony fatohan'ny fiankohofantsika.
The goal, of course, is change.
Mazava ho azy ny tanjona dia ny fiovana.
that just as Folly read this morning, we don't walk as the Gentiles did, but we walk as we are in new life.
Araka le vao resahany faly taminareo teo hoe tsy tokony handeha araka ny fanaon'ny lesy intsontsika fa tokony handeha araka ny mahazanak'Andriamanitra antsika.
The goal in biblical counseling is change of heart.
Ny tanjona anatin'ny fanomezana torohevitra ara-baiboly dia ny fiovampo.
Where the person realizes that I was worshiping myself, I need to worship God.
Tonga le olona ho tonga saina hoe nanompo ny tenany izy fa manomboka izao dia tokony hanompo an'Andriamanitra.
There are things we must do.
Misy ny zavatra izay tsy maintsy ataontsika.
So love and rules aren't two different things. They're not exclusive.
Dia ny fitiavana sy ny fitsipika dia zavatra anankiroa.
I heard about a couple who the pastor was counseling them.
Nisy fotoana nisy hoe mpivady izay nomena torohevitra ara-baiboly.
And the pastor was emphasizing, you just need to love Jesus.
Dia nitsindry le pastera manokana izay nanome torohevitra an'izy mivady tamin'izay fotoana izay hoe mila mity an'i Jesosy Kristy nareo.
The man had been looking at pornography.
Ilay lehilahy tamin'izay tena hoe voakezan'ny fijerena pornografia izy.
The pastor's counsel was just got to love Jesus.
Dia ny torohevitra nomeny le pastera anazy izay fotsiny hoe tsy maintsy mity an'i Jesosy Kristy ianao.
And his wife was saying, well, aren't you going to tell him to stop and do something different?
Dia ozy izy mivadiny ny farany hoe tsy afaka mba teninao fotsiny ve izy hoe ajanony le fijerena an'le zavatra dia mba mijereva zavatra hafa.
Now you just have to love Jesus more.
Dia ozy izy fotsiny le pastera hoe mila mity an'i Jesosy misimisy kokoa ianao.
Yeah, if he loved Jesus perfectly, then no, he wouldn't be doing that.
Dia marina fa hoe raha tena tia an'i Jesosy amin'ny fomba manontolo izy dia tsy hijery zavatra tahaka izany.
But there's things we need to tell people to do so they know how to love Jesus.
Fa misy ny zavatra tsy maintsy tenintsika ny olona hoe ilainy atao mba ahafahany maneho an'izay fitiavany an'i Jesosy Kristy izay.
Of course, the heart is God's primary focus when it comes to change.
Satria mazava ho azy ny fo no tena ifantohan'Andriamanitra rehefa miresaka hoe fiovana isika.
Because as we looked in the past 2 days, all the issues of life flow out of the heart.
Satria araka le efa nijerevantsika roa andro ny sesy izay dia ny olana rehetra miseho amin'ny fiainantsika dia miainga avy amin'ny fo avokoa.
Everything that comes out of my mouth is from my heart.
Ny zavatra rehetra mivavolokon'ny vavako io dia mivoaka avy amin'ny foko.
So the focus for change is our heart.
Ka ny dikan'izay no tokony ifantohana mba hisiany fiovana dia ny fo hatrany.
And sometimes people see that Jesus changed things.
Ary indraindray hitan'ny olona tsara hoe Jesosy Kristy mihitsy no manova zavatra.
Because in the Old Testament, it was all about external obedience, and it was all about the rituals and the ceremonies.
Satria tao amin'ny Testamenta taloha tsy karitsaroa dia ny zavatra atao ety ivelany no tena betsaka ilay fombafomba, ilay fomba fanompoam-pivavahana, ireo karazana andro firavoravoana.
But that's not the case.
Fa eto tsy izany ny zavatra miseho.
He was just bringing the Jews back to what God had told them in the Old Testament.
Ny zavatra miseho dia izao, Jesosy Kristy mamerina ny olona tamin'izay zavatra efa nitenenin'Andriamanitra tany amin'ny Testamenta taloha nefa eto.
Deuteronomy 6 is what Jesus was quoting when we just read Mark 12.
Ny zavatra mivakitsika tao amin'ny Marka 12 tao dia izay teny tao amin'ny Deuteronomy 2:9 ihany no naverin'i Jesosy tamin'ireo olona ireo.
So even in the wilderness, it was love your God with all your soul, your mind, and your heart.
Ka na dia mbola tany anevitra ny zanak'Israely tamin'izany fotoana izany dia tamin'izany ny Andriamanitra dia efa nitenen'ny zareo hoe nitiavany Jehovah Andriamanitra amin'ny fonao rehetra, herinao rehetra, ny sainao rehetra sy ny fanahinao rehetra.
We looked at 1 Samuel 16 earlier that man sees from the outside, God sees the heart.
Hitantsika teo aloha kely teo tao amin'ny Samuela voalohany 9:12 hoe Andriamanitra mahita ny olona mahita ny ety ivelany fa Andriamanitra mahita ny ao am-po.
And we looked at Psalm 139 earlier, the last 2 verses about God, show me my heart.
Ary hitantsika tao amin'ny Salamo 7:30 ilay vavaky ilay mpanao salamo hoe Tompo Andriamanitra aseho ahy ny foko.
Let's read Jeremiah 31, verses 31 to 34.
Andao ne vakitsika ny ao amin'ny Jeremia 39?
31 to 34.
31, excuse me.
Yeah, chapter 31 and in verse 31 to 34.
Jeremiah 31 and verses?
31 to 34.
31 to 34. Ao Jeremia toko faha raiky amby telopolo dia vakitsika ny eo amin'ny andiny faha raiky amby telopolo ka hatramin'ny faha efatra amby telopolo. Indro avy ny andro hoy ny tompo izay hanaovako fanekena vaovao amin'ny taranak'Israely sy amin'ny taranak'i Joda. Nefa tsy tahaka ny fanekena nataoko tamin'ny razany tamin'ny andro ny tantanako azy nivoaka avy tany amin'ny tany Egypta, fa izy ireny dia nivadika ny fanekeko. Nefa izao no tompony, hoy ny tompo. Fa izao ny fanekena ataoko amin'ny taranak'Israely rehefa afaka izany andro izany, hoy ny tompo. Ataoko ao an-tsainy ny lalako sady hosoratako ao am-pony, ary izao ho andriamaniny ary ho oloko izy. Ary samy tsy hampianatra ny namany sy ny rahalainy avy intsony izy hoe mahalala ny tompo, fa samy ahalala avokoa izy rehetra, hatramin'ny kely indrindra ka hatramin'ny lehibe indrindra, hoy ny tompo. Fa avelako ny elony ary tsy ho tsarovako intsony ny fahotany.
He says, I will put my law on their hearts.
Izay no tenenin'Andriamanitra eto hoe hosoratako ao am-pony ny ahalalako.
And it's similar to Ezekiel 33, where God says, I will take their heart of stone out and give them a heart of flesh.
Dia izay tahaka izany ihany koa ny tenenin'i Ezekiela ao amin'ny toko fahatelo amby telopolo hoe hoesoriny fo vato ka hosoloany fo nofo.
Always after their heart.
Dia ny fo foana no katsahan'Andriamanitra zany.
And those thoughts continue in the New Testament, of course.
Ary mazava ho azy ireo hevitra ireo dia mitohy hatrany ao amin'ny testamenta vaovao.
Mark 12 again is what we just read earlier, that you shall love the Lord your God with all your mind, your strength, and your
ao amin'ny marka toko faharoa ambin'ny folo tahaka an'ilay mivakitsika teo dia hoe tiavany Jehovah Andriamanitra ao amin'ny fonao rehetra, ny sainao rehetra, ny fanahinao rehetra ary ny heranao rehetra.
And those two passages in Ephesians are wonderful prayers to know more about who Jesus is, that God would show us more.
Ary reo andiny soratra masina ireo miaraka amin'izay voasoratra amin'ny Efesiana dia tena tsara ny mitadidy an'ireo satria maneho hoe tahaka ny ahoana no itiavan'Andriamanitra antsika sy ny tokony hitiavantsika azy.
In fact, I would encourage you to take those are prayers that Paul prays for the Ephesians.
Mampirisika anareo hitadidy ireo satria vavaka izay ataon'ny Paolo an'ny Efesiana izy ireo.
And I would encourage you to take those prayers and personalize it. Make it a prayer from you directly to God.
Dia mampirisika anareo hoe raiso tahaka ny vavaka ataonareo manokana ao an-tenanareo ireo dia etoy anasian'Andriamanitra.
And in Romans 2:29,
toy izany koa ny ao amin'ny Romanina toko faharoa andiny faha sivy amby roapolo.
Paul says that a Jew isn't a Jew who's just someone outwardly, but who has circumcised his heart.
Paul dia miteny hoe tsy izay miseho ety ivelany no atao hoe jiosy fa izay miseho any anatiny dia amin'ny alalan'ny famorana ao anaty.
The product of a godly heart, a heart that wishes to worship God, is the fruit.
Ny vokatry ny fo izay maniry hanompo an'Andriamanitra dia ilay vokatra tsara.
We are exhorted to be fruitful.
Natsoiny tenin'Andriamanitra tsika mba hamoa.
Galatians 5:13-26 is the fruit of the Spirit.
Rehefa jerenareo amin'ny Galatiana toko fahadimy andiny fa manomboka amin'ny andiny fa roa amby roapolo dia mahita ny ireo vokatry ny fanahy isika.
But again, remember, it's the fruit of the Spirit.
Mitady hoe vokatry ny fanahy no resahany eto.
We can't have those things by nailing them onto the dead tree.
Tsy afaka mahazo vokatra isika tahaka ny hoe maka voankazo dia afantsika eo amina hazo maty.
We can't tell people to just do those things.
Tsy afaka tenintsika fotsiny ny olona anankiray hoe reto fotsiny atao.
That's the fruit in which they will grow once their heart is right.
Mitombo ny vokatra, iseho ny vokatra rehefa ilay foza ifototry ilay hazo mihitsy no voaova.
So God's power for fruitfulness.
Ka ilay fahefan'Andriamanitra izay mahatonga ny famokahana zany.
His power cancels our past.
Ny izay herin'Andriamanitra izay no mamafa ny lasantsika.
His power conquers our problems.
Izay herin'Andriamanitra izay no mandresy ny olantsika.
And his power even changes our personality, so we want to be pleasing to him.
Dia izany herin' izany ihany koa no manova ny toetratsika mba tonga tsika hanana toetra manome voninahitra azy, toetra ankasitrahany.
His plan for fruitfulness.
Andravitr'Andriamanitra mba hamokatra isika.
We talked about that in sanctification.
Efa resahantsika ny amin'ny hoe fanamasinan'Andriamanitra atsika.
It's a partnership. We exhort effort. God is the one who who empowers us.
Rehefa resantsika hoe fiaraha-miasa amin'Andriamanitra io a, itsika mila miezaka ary anatin'ny ezaka ataontsika dia Andriamanitra no manome hery antsika hanaovantsika izany.
And progressive sanctification, it happens over time.
Ary ilay fitombona amin'ny famasinana dia zavatra miseho mandalo dingana maromaro.
Good example of fruitfulness, again, as Folly took from Ephesians just now.
Ohatra tsara ny amin'ny hoe famokarana be arak'ilay ohatra narilay mifaly tao amin'ny Efesiana teo.
As he said, there are no commands in the first 3 chapters of Ephesians.
Araky ny lazainy faly teo tsy misy baiko, tsy misy hoe antso manokana ho antsika ao amin'ny toko telo voalohany ao amin'ny Efesiana.
It's all about what God has done for us.
Fa tena miresaka manokana momba ny hoe inona nataon'Andriamanitra ho antsika.
And then starting in chapter 3, this is how you should live.
Dia manomboka eo amin'ny toko fahatelo manarakaraka ny toko fahatelo avy eo zay vao miteny izy hoe toy ny ahoana no tokony hiainantsika.
And you can look through pretty much every one of Paul's epistles.
Ary ny akamaroan'ireo episty izay nosoratan'i Paul raha jerenareo.
And they're all like that.
Dia mitovy amin'izany avokoa.
The first half is what God has done for us. The second half is how we should then live.
Ny tapany voalohany dia ny hoe inona ny zavatra nataon'Andriamanitra antsika, dia ny tapany manaraka dia ny hoe tahaka ny ahoana zany no tokony hiainantsika.
The first command in the book of Romans is in chapter 6. Consider yourself dead to sin.
Ny baiko voalohany izay ao amin'ny bokin'ny Romana dia hitanareo amin'ny toko fahenina izay ilazan'i Paul hoe ataovy tahaka ny maty ny amin'ny fahotana ny tenanareo.
And that demonstrates that when we counsel, we never go straight to the commands.
Izany zavatra izany dia tokony maneho amintsika hoe rehefa mamety torohevitra ara-baiboly olona anankiray tsika dia tsy avy hatrany dia ilay zavatra andidiny tenin'Andriamanitra antsika tokony ataontsika no hanombohantsika azy.
Did you have an English word where I say indicatives and imperatives?
Indicatives and imperatives.
Because we say the first half, again, is all about what he has done. The second half is the commands.
Averikany hoe ny apahany voalohany dia miresaka momba ny inona nataon'Andriamanitra antsika ary ny apahany faharoa dia miresaka momba ny hoe inona no tokony ataontsika.
So, can't bear good fruit without the heart.
Ka noho izany dia tsy afaka mamovo voatsara tsika raha tsy manana ilay fo voaova.
So what does the fruit look like?
Ka toy ny ahoana raha ny paozin'izany hoe vokatra tsara izany.
As we work our way through Ephesians,
jereo ny azokafy ny baibolonareo amin'ny Efesiana.
Says, don't lie, speak truth.
Can you repeat it?
Yeah, it says, don't lie to one another, speak truth.
Zavatra tenen'i Paul eo dia hoe aza mandainga fa mifampilaza ny marina.
Don't be sinfully angry.
Aza maneho ny atezeranareo amin'ny fomba feno fahotana.
If we're angry, we need to deal with it properly, to look at our heart.
Raha ohatra ka tesitra isika dia tena tokony fomba tena hoe mifantoka amin'ny fotsika isika mijery hoe ahoana ny tokony andraisana izany fahatezerana izany.
Stop stealing.
Aza mangalatra.
Work and share with others.
Fa miasa ary mizara amin'ny hafa.
Don't use corrupting or hurtful speech.
Aza mampiasa teny maloto na hoe teny mety mandratra.
But speech that edifies, that builds the other person up.
Fa teny zay mampandroso sy mampahery ny namanao.
And that should always be the measure of our words.
Ary izany hatrany tokony handanjalanjantsika ny teny alokin'ny vavantsika.
If when I speak to someone, my wife or my children or anyone else,
raha ohatra ka hiteny amin'ny olona, ny vadiko, ny zanako na olo-kafa,
was that edifying speech that gave grace to the person to build them up.
dia tokony ho teny mampandroso ny hafa, teny zay azahoan'ny hafa fahasoavana mba ahafahany mitombo.
And even if it has to be corrective, it is still something that builds them up. It's for their good.
Ka na hoe teny fanitsina raha no teny tsy maintsy ataoko amin'izay fotoana izay dia tsy maintsy teny atao ampahasoavana hatrany mba ahafahany mitombo hatrany.
In verse 32, he tells us to forgive one another.
Amin'ny andiny faharoa amin'ny telopolo izy miresaka ny amin'ny tokony hifamelantsika heloka.
And he says, forgive one another as God in Christ has forgiven you.
Dia ny fomba hitenenana izany dia hoe mifamela eka tahaka ny namelan'Andriamanitra heloka antsika.
Again, another example of what he commands us to do is because of what he has done for us.
Dia averiko foana hoe ny zavatra izay ibaiko ny tenin'Andriamanitra antsika hoe tokony ataontsika dia noho ny zavatra nataon'Andriamanitra ho antsika.
Another example, as we look at the book of Philippians,
ohatra anankiray ihany koa raha ohatra ka sokafantsika ny baibolitsika ho amin'ny boky ny Filipianina.
what heat are they going through?
Inona ny haintany izay nolalovan'izy ireo?
Paul, of course, is in prison. That's a he's going through.
Paul dia tao ponja izay le haintany niainany.
The Philippians are having some disunity among themselves.
Ny Filipianina dia nisy karazana hoe fizarazarana nitranga teo anivon'izy ireo.
What responses would you expect from people?
Inona ny mety hoe karazana fihetsika tokony hasetriny izy ireo raha ny hevitra reo?
Perhaps I would expect Paul to simply be depressed and give up, and here it is, I'm supposed to be preaching, and I'm stuck in jail.
Raha ohatra zao teo amin'ny toeran'ny Paul dia tahaka ny hoe tena hoe kivy tanteraka aho, ketraka aho, tsisy nina azoko atao intsony fa za zao tokony hitory teny fa za raha tia taraiky atao ampigadrana ato.
Or maybe the Philippians would say, all right, let's make 2 churches. We can't get along.
Na ihany koa mety hoe fihetsika fahotana Filipianina ohatra dia hoe andao alors misaraka anakoa izay hanana fiangonanay dia ny hafa dia nareo hanana fiangonanareo.
But what evidences of God's power do we see to change them?
Fa inona no fanehoan'Andriamanitra ny heriny eto izay le hoe hery nentina nanovanan'izy ireo?
Paul, of course, is grateful even though he's in prison.
Mazava ho azy fa Paul dia feno fankasitranana dia tao am-ponja arany izy.
He writes the word joy in those 4 chapters 16 times.
Inenimpolo izy no mamerina milaza ny faly hoe mamerina miteny hoe mifaly na miravoravo anatin'ilay toko efatra ny boky ny Filipianina.
And in 4:13 he says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Raha amin'ny toko faefatra andiny fahatelo ambin'ny folo izy dia miteny an'ilay hoe mahay zavatra rehetra ao amin'ilay mampahery ahy.
And what do we see in the Philippian believers?
Inona ny zavatra hitantsika amin'ireo mpino Filipianina ireo?
They were a very, very poor church.
Ery zareo dia fantatra fa fiangonana anisan'ny mahantra indrindra.
But they took care of Paul's needs.
Fa ery zareo no mikarakara ny zavatra rehetra nilain'ny Paul.
They're the ones who supplied what he needed while he was in prison.
Ery zareo no nanoana ny Paul ka nanome azy zavatra rehetra nilainy tamin'ny fotoana hoe natao am-ponja azy.
The result of God's grace at work in them.
Ny vokatry ny tanam-pahasoavan'Andriamanitra izay niasa tao anatin'izy ireo.
Paul wrote 4 letters from prison that are now in our Bibles.
Paul dia tafanoratra taratasy anankiefatra tao am-ponja izay ao anatin'ny baibolitsika ankehitriny.
And again, the Philippians were taking care of Paul not only when he was in Rome, but also when he was in Corinth and Thessalonica.
Dia ny Filipiana dia tena nikarakara ny Paul hatrany na tamin'ny fotoana natany Roma anazy tany Thessalonica, and what is the other place?
Corinth and Thessalonica.
Si tany Corinto.
So we see the fruit in all this.
Dia hitantsika le vokatra zany anatin'izany zavatra rehetra izany.
And we see that in our lives as things change.
Dia hitantsika ihany koa zany eo amin'ny fiainantsika manokana arakaraky ny hoe ivoarany ito zavatra misy antsika.
And that completes our journey around the 3 trees diagram.
Dia izay no mamarana ny fijerevantsika amin'ny antsipiriany an'ilay kisarisary misy an'ilay hazo anankitelo.
Let's take a 5-minute break, just stretch in here, and then we'll start the next one here just shortly.
Hiady kely vetiveka fotsiny izy itsika 10 minitra afaka mitsangana kely tsika makany amin'ny WC izay mila makany WC dia tonga dia hanoy tsika avy eo.